हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल बी अ प्रोग्रामर में. सो टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट अ वेरी गुड जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी दैट हैज केम इन Amazon, and I will tell you one thing, that freshers can apply, experience can apply. The very first thing, the very first disclaimer I have given, that everyone can apply. And the next thing is that the eligibility criteria that we'll be talking in over, like everything we'll be talking about in this, like when we are going to see the jobs. So I will be going to talk about like what is the eligibility criteria, what are the things we'll be seeing, what are the qualifications needed if you are going to apply for this. So you will get a timestamp. This is the timestamp that you will be getting in the description. When you will go in the description, a timestamp, you have to click on that particular timestamp if you want to see a particular section. That will be easy for you. So now we will go to our screen and we are going to see about everything, like what is the Amazon jobs, how to apply, what are things that you need to keep in the mind. We will be talking about everything. So let's start with the video. So as you can see on my screen, this is the basic site of Amazon jobs, and here is the designation you will be getting, that is cloud support associate. Cloud support associate का मिलेगा. क्लाउड के क्या नाम है, AWS में काम करोगे, AWS के अकाउंट्स में काम करोगे. और जैसे कि यू नो दैट द Amazon is a product based company, so product based company are much better than service based company. So you will get this thing, this benefit when you are working in Amazon. Then what will be the location will be in Karnataka. The location will be in Karnataka and Bangalore, as it is already written here that Bangalore. And the department is supports operation IT support engineering. You will be working in this department. So when you will see the description, suppose you want to see the description, you can see here the description. Everything is written here that AISPL support team is seeking engineers that enjoy solving queries, working with the customers, that have the technical background from the variety of different fields including Linux and Windows. Like they want a person who is from a technical background. So coming to the eligibility first. So the eligibility here is, then I will come to the responsibility you will be getting. The eligibility here, it is already mentioned that the basic qualification, that is if you are like experienced in, or if you are a fresher, then also you can apply. If you are experienced or fresher, you can apply for this. It is already written here that 0 to 1 year of experience. That is, if you are fresher, then also no issues. If you are experienced, then also no issue. But you need to have a good knowledge of, like normal knowledge or good knowledge of Linux, Windows system administration, as you know the level of the company Amazon. So you might be knowing about the knowledge they are looking for. So you can apply for this. Then the bachelor of degree, the bachelor degree in engineering, that is if you are an engineering graduate, then only you can apply for this. It is already written here. मैंने पहले भी बोला था कि मैं ये चीज आगे बताऊंगा, तो मैं कोई धोखाधड़ी नहीं कर रहा हूँ, ठीक है. तो अगली ये इस चीज में जो कि है बैचलर्स इन डिग्री इन, और ब्रांचेस कौन कौन से एलिजिबल हैं, इलेक्ट्रिकल, ECE, उसके बाद IT एंड CSE. दीज आर द बैचेस दैट आर एलिजिबल. एंड इफ यू आर फ्रॉम MCH ऑल्सो, मास्टर्स इन कंप्यूटर एप्लीकेशन, इफ यू हैव डन योर मास्टर इन कंप्यूटर एप्लीकेशन, then also you can go for it. Then you can see here the programming or scripting experience is required. Suppose you are good at Java, PHP, C, Ruby, Perl, these all things, you can apply for this for sure. These are the eligibility criteria that is required. और यहाँ पे है ना, जो Amazon के जो रिक्रूटमेंट या रेज्यूम स्क्रीनिंग बोलते हैं जिसको, मान लो आपने यहाँ पे अप्लाई किया, if you apply for this, then you will get one thing, that these things are happening because I uploaded a video yesterday. In that what happened, that at that point only the screening is being done. It is automated. Parser लगा हुआ है. There is a parser with the Amazon, so they parse the, and they definitely, whenever you apply, at that point only you will get a mail whether you are selected for the round or you are rejected for this round. So it depends, everything depends on your resume and your application. So excellent oral and communication skills, that is very important if you are going for any job. Communication skills are very important. So if you are going for any job, suppose communication skills are really important, so you need to keep in the mind this. You need to keep in the mind and you work accordingly, because these thing is very very important, that communication skills, written and verbal, everything is required, because it is a very big company. You need to talk to many people, you need to handle the clients of different countries, so you need to have a good at communication skills. So self-starter who is excited about the technology, these are the things that is required. And here it is already written preferred qualification, that is up to you कि ये है तो आपको preference मिलेगी. So talking about the role you will be doing, here it is already written the roles and the responsibilities. Let's read out this. So when you will read this, it is already written that Amazon has a history and tradition of leading the world in web related technologies and services. Now with AISPL support, that is your व्हाट वी से योर डिपार्टमेंट AISPL सपोर्ट, यहाँ पे आप काम करोगे, ठीक है। चांस टू ज्वाइन द क्लाउड सपोर्ट, मतलब क्लाउड सपोर्ट में आप काम करोगे। सो आपकी रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी क्या होगी? रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होगी एवरी डे विल बी ब्रिंग यू न्यू एंड एक्साइटिंग चैलेंज एट द जॉब वाइल यू क्या करते हैं, वाइल यू, ठीक है। आप क्या करना है, मतलब नए नए एक्सपीरियंसेस, नए नए चीजें आएंगी, बिकॉज प्रोडक्ट बेस्ड कंपनी है, थोड़ा सा ज्यादा आपको एक्सपीरियंस मिलता है, थोड़ा ज्यादा सीखने को मिलता है। सो लर्न एंड यूज ग्राउंड ब्रेकिंग टेक्नोलॉजीज, अप्लाई एडवांस ट्रबल शूटिंग टेक्निक्स टू प्रोवाइड यूनिक सोल्यूशंस, ठीक है। ये सारी चीजें आपको करेंगी, ये रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज है आपकी। क्लाउड सपोर्ट क्या होता है कि आपको क्लाउड को मेंटेन करना है। AWS क्लाउड जो है, AISPL आपकी सपोर्ट होगा, ये नाम होगा AISPL, ठीक है, इन सब में। सो हाउ टू अप्लाई? द वेरी फर्स्ट थिंग, यू विल click on this apply now button. This is required whenever you are going for any job role in the Amazon services, as I have already made many videos on Amazon, and in the previous video also I have shown that how to apply, what is the process of application. So you just need to click on this apply now button. A page will, it is a normal process job, that is you need to log into the Amazon. अगर आपकी शॉपिंग साइट की भी आईडी है या कोई भी आईडी है Amazon की, तो आप लॉग इन कर सकते हो इसको, बिकॉज Amazon का एक कॉमन है, ठीक है। AWS में भी वो आईडी चल जाती है, बस Amazon एफिलिएट में नहीं चलती है, दूसरी आईडी क्रिएट करनी पड़ती है, ठीक है। तो यहाँ पे आपको क्या करना है, क्लिक ऑन दिस लॉग इन विद Amazon, ठीक है। व्हेन यू विल क्लिक ऑन दिस, अ पेज विल कम जहां पे आपको लॉग इन मिलेगा, ठीक है, वेयर यू नीड टू फिल योर क्रेडेंशियल्स राइट हेयर। इट इज ऑलरेडी मेंशन्ड दैट यू नीड टू साइन इन। यहाँ पे साइन इन करना है, यहाँ पे आप डालोगे अपनी मेल आईडी और डालोगे अपना क्या, पासवर्ड। जब ये दोनों डाल देते हो फिर साइन इन करते हो। साइन इन करने के बाद एक बेसिक पेज आता है, एक बहुत ही नॉर्मल सा आपका फॉर्म आता है जिसको आपको भरना पड़ता है, दैट इज नेसेसरी। और उस बेसिस पे जो रेज्यूमे आप अटैच करते हो, उस बेसिस पे आपको वो पर्टिकुलर जॉब, वो पार्सर डिसाइड करता है, क्योंकि आपके रिज्यूमे में अगर वही चीजें मेंशन्ड है दैट इज रिक्वायर्ड इन द व्हाट वी से द एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया ऑफ द Amazon जॉब्स क्लाउड सपोर्ट, सो यू आर डेफिनेटली गोइंग टू बी हायर्ड। सो दिस इज द बेसिक थिंग यही है कि Amazon अगर रिज्यूमे में वो पॉइंट्स मेंशन्ड है तो डेफिनेटली आप शॉर्टलिस्ट होने वाले हो, ठीक है। So in this video we have talked about everything like how to apply, what is the process of application और एक चीज। So this was all about the video, और Amazon jobs के बारे में we have talked about everything like how to apply, what is the process of application, what is the eligibility that is required. I have talked about everything, I have mentioned everything. So this was all about the video. Thank you for watching this video. We'll meet you in the next video, some more informative topics like this. So no need to worry about that thing. We are coming up with regular videos daily. I am posting videos and interview process, as I've thought of the interviews that I will be doing with the different people, that will give you more insights of the real life experiences of the job, of different companies, of the eligibility criteria, of the placement process, of the interview process. So it will be very much beneficial for you. So this was all about the video. We'll meet you in the next video, some more informative topics. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.